What a volatile day here with IDEX, Ideanomics Inc., right? So here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first-time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. And that helps out the YouTube channel and the YouTube algorithm by letting me know and the YouTube channel that you appreciate my time and effort for everything that I do here in these videos. I appreciate your guys' support and I appreciate you guys very much. Now stay tuned towards the end of the video because we do have a ticker symbol to share. And this ticker symbol is a little bit speculative and I want investors to know about it as soon as possible. I couldn't really just hold it to myself. So I shared it over at the Patreon and now I'm here to share it with you guys. So if you guys want to get live updates on the full list of stocks that I'm watching this week, you can join us over at the Patreon. You'll gain access to my Discord channel and you'll be able to see the different stocks that I'm watching throughout the day that are showing potential to move or that is looking interesting, right? So stay tuned for that towards the end of the video, and the links are down below if you want to join the Patreon or the private Discord. So IDEX, right? Ideanomics Inc. It's actually pulled downwards, right? Big volatility and then just running back up. So this stock, honestly, as long as it stays above right here, 284, it is going to have some strength, and the volatility has been pretty wild in the last several days, but a pullback was bound to happen. We know how IDX likes to act, right? It pulls back and then it kind of pulls itself back up. So anything below $3 is really interesting, and anything closer to $3 or slightly above it is something to watch, especially if you're long on this one. I mean, look at that big pullback. So this stock is definitely in consolidation period here. And for those long investors that actually see value, every single dip should look like an opportunity. And for some investors that are swing traders or day traders, every single big dip should look like an opportunity. So this stock has a lot of opportunities overall, depending on what trader you are or no matter what type of trading style you have. But IDX is sitting here now a little bit below the 50-day moving average. So let's look at this. So our support here is 292 and our resistance is 307. So if 292 gets broken through, watch it carefully. And then your next support's down here at 284. And our resistance here is 307. The bulls need to break through that. But even though they break through it, it does not guarantee them back into bullish territory. They need to break through the 50-day moving average of 311 to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. So keep that in mind, and to get significantly back into bullish territory. Now, once they accomplish that, their next goal is up here. It got rejected twice, and that's 322, and those are the highest points before the big dip. So that is the true resistance point right now that the bulls need to break through to continue this momentum and reach newer highs. All right, so definitely keep those in mind. If you're a first-time viewer, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And don't forget to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel with the YouTube algorithm. And let's jump right into it. We're going to talk about this stock you want to add to your watch list, but proceed with caution. It is speculative. So today in the morning it was pretty exciting. Congratulations to those of you that learned something new over at the Patreon. By joining the Patreon, you gain access to the Discord. And in the Discord, we talk about stocks that are showing potential pretty early in the morning due to volume, indicators, or just news. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out and you're interested in that, you can join us now. I have a Discord. I know a lot of people were asking for that. So congratulations to those. And let's go ahead and talk about the stock I'm going to share with you guys that I actually mentioned this weekend on the Patreon as well. Because on the Patreon, I have a weekly watch list, right, that you want to watch. Some of those are long-term. Some of those are swing trades. And then over at the Discord, we look at more quick trades, quick plays, and something that I really advise every single investor to do is watch to learn. And then once you get the hang of it, go ahead and start putting your feet in the water, right? That's the whole step of joining to learn. And then from there, start to gain the momentum. It's the snowball effect. You start off little by little and then your snowball is going to get bigger. But this is one of the stocks I mentioned this weekend, and it's WAFU. And this stock has had two spikes, okay? And they have to do with, obviously, education, I believe, out in China, right? It's a group that does online exam preparation, distance learning, stuff like that, business-to-business model type of company. But let's go ahead and read here what I saw. So this is the watch list from April 4th, which is literally yesterday. And this is the top one in the list. Okay, there's 3 others. You could see their charts here, and obviously analysis price targets and stuff. So if you guys want to gain access to these stocks and see everything, the charts, and why I am attracted to them, you can go ahead and join us at the Patreon. So this is a pure speculation play, as I said. So do watch with caution as it jumped twice in the last few days. It is falling, as we can see here in the chart, and it has room to fall. The closer to 8, the more interesting. I was about to say $9 because I'm thinking about where it's at right now. $8, the more interesting. But keep in mind, this is a pure speculation. It could fall lower or have another bounce in April. If you look at the 2 spikes it recently had, you can see how short-lived it has been. So based off the charts, it was showing weakness, and I have everything pulled up here. And now it's looking like it's trying to do a reversal, but that's in the 30-minute. If we go to the 15-minute, it's showing strength. If we go to the 5-minute, strength. And then if we go to the 3-minute, strength as well. And when we go to the 1-minute, it's like kind of wobbly, but it's pushing upwards. This has to get back up this way, right? You want to kind of see it above. And if you do see it above, then this could start to run. Now, if this was the bottom, what we've seen recently, which I was hoping for this to get closer to $8, which is pretty much where this started to run a little bit before that. It was down at the $7 range down here at this point. But right here, you could see that 8.15, kind of around there, it started to run, and it reached here a high of 15.92. Could it reach 15.92 again? I don't think so. That's probably going to be a really good opportunity if it does happen. But if it doesn't, I could see this reversing, and it hit a low here of $9.42. Could it touch $9 again? We'll have to see, because this could start showing weakness and reversing. But by the looks of it, if this volume could continue, and this could break out tomorrow morning, okay, and continue to go up like this, okay, this is the most important part, like these green bars here, right, start to grow and get bigger, right, darker green bars, not light green bars like this, because this starts showing a reversal in the other direction. If not, dark green bars in the upward direction, this could start to pull upwards. Now, how far up could it go? I would say probably close to $10 and some change, and best case scenario up here closer to $11 to $13. That's like the best case scenario. But worst case scenario, if this does start having a reversal early, this could touch $10.50, $10.30, which is a quick 10% opportunity. But if you swing trade this one a little bit longer term, and you're understanding the fundamentals and everything about this company, and if you've checked their news and you like what they're showing, then this could be a potential hold, and you can hold it through to try and see if it gets up to these higher levels between $13 and $15. But, this is very speculative. I just wanted to share with you guys. This is one of the top stocks that I mentioned this week to watch, and going into April, there might be an opportunity. We'll have to see, but like I said, you could see here how short-lived these spikes are. They don't last more than 2 days. So once it happens, don't get greedy and take your portion, But we have to see. It still hasn't confirmed reversal. It could look like that right now, and everything else is showing strength. But when you go to the 1 day, it's showing room to fall. You see, that's why I believe this could get closer to $8. And the closer it gets to $8, we'll have to see. But then some of these stocks that are so volatile, they can actually look like they're pulling downwards in the macro, right? When you zoom out a little bit more. But then like you see here in the micro, it's already starting to show that reversal pattern, right? So the risk is there. This is a very speculative stock. Like I always say, I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions. But I am here to enlighten you guys on opportunities that are presenting themselves. Definitely do your research. This is just Invest for Tomorrow's opinions. But if you guys want to join the private Discord, the link is down below. And you can join us over at the Patreon as well to know the full list of stocks that I'm watching weekly and throughout the days of the week. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.